Hey there, I'm Chris.
And I'm Ben.
And we're with Swartz Restoration. We're here in Waynesfield, Ohio to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or your business, we're here to help. Maybe you have a leaky faucet and it saturates your floor, or a water supply line on your dishwasher, or your washing machine breaks and seeps down to the basement, or maybe a sump pump fails and backs up, or even a storm may roll through the area and leave your house with all sorts of water damage. We are here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our heart, our goal, our mission as a company to care for people, whether it's a home or a business that's going through fire damage, water damage, storm damage, to care for them all the way through that process of getting them back to normal. So if you find yourself in one of these situations, feel free to call us at 419-331-1024 for 24-hour service, or check us out on our website at swartzrestoration.com.